Hey guys, this is Jacob Sparks out here at Moore Dodge in Silsbee, Texas again. Today I have their 2015 Chevrolet Silverado Texas Edition LTZ. This vehicle is actually really unique because it only has 13,009 miles on this truck as of today. As you can see, it has an LED bar strip on the rear end for your turn signals and brakes, trailer towing group. It has a bed liner and a bed cover with straps. Assisted tailgate down. This truck also has running boards on it. The back seat still very clean. Leather's in great and perfect condition. Wood vinyl finish. Front seat, as you can see, both driver's and passenger seats are heated, cooled, and electric. Wood vinyl finish on the front as well. Bose sound system. This truck also is equipped with a remote start. Automatic headlights. So you can see 13,009 miles, as well as equipped with navigation, weather, plenty of audio settings, dual AC, cargo lights, traction control, parking sensors, owner's manual still inside, as well as some USB ports and a hard outlet. This is Jacob Sparks at Moore Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Silsbee, Texas. Home of your one more better deal. I look forward to helping you here pretty soon.